dal and rice and duck on Saturday 27th of December. Rice boiling here, dal here, rice. Rice. I dal I go share the dog just now. Insert it okay. I just really water go with it. The curry patching for the duck, right? The rice that finished cooked there. The dal I share the boiling earlier was finished cooked. Jeera and whatever in it. Right, nice color. Rice and the curry patch in here. Right, when the chicken, the duck, sorry, when the duck throw in, yes, when the duck throw in, I will come again, and when it's nearly finished, I will go again. Next video again, and add all together and make one video. Right, people? That is the December 27, 2025, Saturday. Now is 12:46 p.m. on a Saturday. Lego, more set of Lego now. Right, so that's showing you now again. So now I want to add the next about two time again to the maggot thing, and then add all together. So this is the duck in the pot here. Again with the curry. You see what's patching earlier. Right, but somebody made had a Lego, it was also frozen, but it's Lego now. That piece is in there still have 2-3 pieces together, but most of it all Lego. Right, and some other things to add in it. Well, some coconut milk, and then have it cooked down, and that's it. Right, so this is this here with the coconut milk powder now and stuff. All the meat leg ones they good now cooking. Right, so when it's nearly done cook, when it dry down a little more, I'll come to the next video again, and then or add all the videos together. Well, I'm just saying this so when I watch any video, you hear me saying this. So it could be a couple of videos to join together to make one video. Right, I'll see if I could get it from a different angle to get it light. Right, so nice way boiling up this. So the duck finished cooked now. Very good on this one. Probably reach it very fine at this, so this will be cut out now anytime soon. And that's the dish out to eat when you get cool at the pool. You can eat hot too if you want to. So this is the final look at the thing. It's not a long video, eh? But I just do it in pieces. I don't know how long the video will be. But this is the Saturday meal. Right, so this will go out soon just now. And when I come out, I can stop the video. So I come this video to make the video a little long, maybe about more than 2 minutes or something, or 3 minutes, I'm not sure. But I can't remember all the videos how long I did them, but there's a couple of videos I did before I did in this last one here. Get out this one. Some nice bubbly and some nice looking. Alright, let me get a top shot. Alright. Nice day.